host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. This is a special edition of Evolution in Control. We're here at Morrell's headquarters in Auburn Hills at the Automate the Future event. It's being held in conjunction with the Automate show in downtown Detroit. We're here to talk to customers. We're here to talk to vendors. We're here to talk about technology and automation and what that means for the future. I'm joined by a special guest, Connor Robinson. He's the Account Development Manager for Bosch Rexroth in Windsor, Ontario. Connor, thank you very much for joining us.
Thanks for having me. It's been a great event so far.
Excellent. So tell us a little bit about yourself. What's your background?
I've been with Rexroth for the last 6 years, particularly focusing in Southern Ontario and Canada, with a background in automation and technology.
Excellent. So you've been with Bosch Rexroth about 6 years, and you cover it in Canada. Have you been to the show?
This is actually my first time.
Okay. All right. Did you get downtown to the show in Detroit to see it?
Yes.
What kind of expectations did you have? What did you expect to see?
I've been to trade shows in Toronto, and honestly, I wasn't expecting the size of what I saw. Everywhere you look, there's something moving, trying to catch your attention. So I didn't have enough time to look at everything, really.
Okay. Were you surprised by something other than the size of the show?
I guess just all the vendors getting together and the different suppliers. In business world, they are competitors, but at the show, we kind of all collaborate. We talk amongst each other, see how the market trends are going, see what the industry trends are doing. So it was nice to collaborate with them.
Did you see any technology that surprised you a little bit?
Yeah, I think the 7-axis robot from Casso was quite interesting, and the ability to hold a tennis ball in the air and just levitate there, right? And how the robot moves completely around it.
That's pretty cool. So this is also your first time to Morrell here in the United States, correct?
Yes.
Did you have any expectations about Morrell? How do we compare to expectations?
So the branch manager in Windsor, Kevin Curtis, always talks about Auburn Hills.
Now, you know Kevin has been a guest on Evolution in Control, right?
No, I did not know.
He's been a guest on it. He's got some episodes, so you have to look him up.
I'll have to check that out.
All right.
It's amazing, actually. I didn't expect the size to be like it was, and especially all the different R&D projects happening, and then the ability to come on the shop floor and see a lot of the stuff being built.
The technology that we're implementing and applying.
Yeah, it's good to see that and see like everything in motion, right?
Do you have other distributors that you work with that are implementing technology like this?
Yeah, up in Canada, we have a few other distributors based on territory agreements. I wouldn't say the facilities are quite like this, but similar technology and how they approach the OEMs or integrators, right?
Well, let's talk about technology in general and the future and automation. Where do you see automation? Where do you see technology taking automation?
Honestly, 10 years ago when I was just first getting into the university, I didn't imagine anything I would see today. I think there's no limitation. Anything that human mind can come up with, it'll be created, whether that's to make our lives easier, to make something faster, more efficient. It's going to be endless. So you're never going to see the end of it.
What do you think has been the most impactful technology?
Oh, probably the ability, digitalization, the ability to get feedback on servos, and the kind of the dissolving of analog controls, and moving just to digital.
So the migration from analog into digital. What about AI, artificial intelligence, and what role do you think it plays in automation?
I haven't seen too much AI in automation, whether it's just because I'm not in that field or not, but I think it could pick up with early adopters. Once we start to they roll that out, it'll become more mainstream, just like a computer, right? People thought it was crazy, but maybe 20 years from now, it could be a different story.
So in the next 10 years, just like you look back 10 years, the products that could exist, you can't even imagine now.
Yeah, they're going to be probably smaller, more efficient, more durable, stronger, smarter, able to move more loads. Like I said, it's all about increasing efficiencies and honestly reducing raw material consumption, right? We only have so much.
Energy efficiency.
Yeah.
Sounds like a very exciting future.
I got 25 years ahead of me, hopefully.
Connor, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks,
I appreciate
Ted.
your time. Thank you for watching us. This is Tim Wilson. I'm your host for Evolution and Controls. Thank you. And remember, keep moving.